Hi, in this video I will show how to use the stop application for creating KML files from KML track files from CSV files. I can show you on my computer. I have a my track CSV file, which is I can open it in Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside it contains information following columns like latitude, latitude, altitude. It's all geo positioning coordinates, and I also track when, which is basically timestamp. For testing purposes, all timestamp is the same with this file, but your file may be different, has different columns. The only one required and mandatory thing is to have all these geopositioning coordinates, latitude, longitude, altitude available. Then we can create KML track from this file. And in order to do that, I will download application from my website and use it to create KML. So let's close this. This is my website. I'll click to find application. I'll click on search and type CSV To Kml. And yep, on this, click on KML apps, click on CSV To Kml, and then click on download button to start downloading process. And wait until archive is downloaded. On my computer, you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on it, then click on MSI side archive, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. With Microsoft, you can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So now I can close this and double click and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. And now this application allows me to download example file. If I click on this link, it will redirect me to and I can download my track CSV. This is the same CSV I am using for demo. So if you want to try it, with this CSV file, or if you want to see structure of CSV file or create similar CSV file, you can download this file and see what is inside. So conversion basically 3 steps process. And for step 1, we were selecting CSV, one or many CSV files we want to convert. So let's select my track CSV, click on open, click on next. So I clicked on this, click here to select input files button. Then let me show you again. I click here and then click on find my track CSV, click on open, click on next step. Now, second step is I have like every CSV could have different columns, right? So if first row of CSV has a column names, I should keep this checked. Now, here I have to map KML track columns to columns into my CSV. So for example, if I have latitude column, I have latitude, just latitude in my CSV file. Longitude the same, longitude. Altitude, I think I have elevation. No, altitude, okay. And time is track when. Yeah, this one. So yeah, basically I mapped all the columns or KML columns to columns into my CSV, and then I will click on next step. On final step, I'll click on run to start conversion. It will ask me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved and I have it on my computer. Now let's go on Google Maps. Maps, I think it's My Maps, right? My Maps. Yeah, Google Maps, this one. And let's delete this one, move to trash. And I will create new map. I want to show you that KML I created is valid, and I'll click on import, click on select from my device, and click on CSV to KML file we created. It's KML, click on open, and it will be loaded into Google Maps, and you can see it displaying my track properly with all beginning and end. And it's also, I think it's also I can select somehow endpoints. I don't remember how to do it in Google Maps. Anyway, so we have all this way. So I can see every point, every GPS point on the map. So basically, we created a KML file from our CVS file, uploaded into Google Maps, and we see a result on Google Maps displaying properly from CSV data. Yeah, basically this is it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. I will be recording more videos on KML apps and geopositioning applications. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching.